Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI Hey application. So basically this is Vietnamese, but you can still use this. So you can see here a different option: homework, AI writing, chat, translations, mind map, summary, location as photos, universe predictor, and you can also ask here, and you can share your picture. So basically this is Vietnamese, but you have to choose, okay, maybe AI writing. I'm choosing this one. Rates high. So you can see here they give you the answer. But if you want to say them like please English, then they give you the answer in English. So actually like it's not working in English in this way, but you can talk with character in English because this is Vietnamese, but you can still use it here like different interview question, and it will be go on public discover. You can find the character here, for example this one, and type English. It's like a other chatbot. Write in English. So you can see here they can understand, and this is for you, like you can chat with people here, and people also give answer. And discover, it means that you can find here different option. You can set up your profile through this way. You can chat with them. So actually this way you can use this app.